Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail missing after iOS 26 update. Some provide full guide. I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. So look here, now missing my voicemail option. Okay, at first open settings, scroll down, click onto general option. So after update, so look here, I'm already updated my iOS 26. When I'm update my iOS, then missing voicemail option. Open settings again. At first need to enable on settings, scroll down, press on apps, scroll down and find here your phone apps. Open this, scroll down, and as you can see showing here to live voicemail option. Make sure to turn on. Okay, I'm already turn on live voicemail option, but still now missing this option. Open phone apps, still now missing this option. So you need to change one settings, click onto three line. So must be select classic option. When you select unfilled, now missing voicemail, press on classic, it's showing here to voicemail option. Okay, press on voicemail and you just easily set up from here. So that's it.